75 countries are facing a pause or freeze or ban on issuing the immigrant visas, and yet the U.S. government is continuing to take their money and ask them to continue the process, yet no visa will be issued. I'm Latoya McBean Pompey, an immigration lawyer in New York working with clients nationwide. Some of us immigration attorneys will be advising their clients not to allow their case to go all the way to the documentarily qualified stage at the National Visa Center level, because once it reaches that stage, then the U.S. Embassy or consulate abroad will schedule the interview. There are disadvantages to going all the way until the end and allowing them to interview you and you not getting a visa in the process. The major disadvantage really has to do with the fact that they're going to place your case in what's known as administrative processing, which is an administrative hold, so to speak, and it's indefinite. We have no idea how long this ban or pause will last. And as a result of that, the U.S. Embassy will likely go back to people once this is all lifted, go back to people and tell them you've got to submit some fresh documents, fresh tax returns, police clearance letters, new medicals. And so you'll have to spend money, more money on all of those things again. It's really unfair to these individuals to have them go all the way until the end only to not give them their visa.